Hi everyone, my name is Star Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL. In this video, we are going to see how we are able to use one fantastic tool in Excel to convert the data in this format where it has a column and a row, and this is intersection between all of them. So this is the function called unpivot. Without the invention of this new tool, a lot of people they use macro or some they use traditional pivot table method to turn this whole structure into a vertical three columns data where it comprises of account and the month and all the values here. Let's see how we are able to get this thing done using Power Query. If you're using Excel 2016 or above, this tool is available inside your data and you are able to see inside the get and transform. If you're using older version of Excel, let me know in the comment below of this video. I'm able to create something different just for you. And now I have data here. I place my active cell inside the data range. I can go and choose from table and range. If I click this, Excel will automatically create a table for us. I press OK. Once I'm done, I'm inside Power Query Editor. Inside here, select the column you want to maintain as a column, while the rest it will turn into individual column by themselves. So I just right click, then choose unpivot other columns. I press OK. Now, ta-da! So I have January, February, March for individual values. And I want to change the attribute and values to some other meaningful name. To rename the column header, we just need to double click and I choose month and enter. Meanwhile, the value, this is the budget values I choose. I type as budget. I press enter and I have all these things done. I want to bring this whole data back to Excel. So I can go to home, close and load. And right before that, remember change the name on the right side to a meaningful name. I want to change this is a budget amount and press enter. So it's more meaningful compared to table 3. Once it's done, I press close and load and bring whole data back to Excel. In the future, any updates on the data, let's see, go back to unpivot. I add another month, which is called after March will be April, yes. And I key in all the numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4 to make it simple. Since I selected them, I press Ctrl Enter. After I type, widen the size. Then I go back to the Power Query just now. It doesn't have any updates here. To get the updates from the new data, we just need to right click and choose Refresh. And ta-da! It's just that simple using Power Query. If you are doing a lot of massaging, remember use this Power Query. Alternatively, you can send me your question. I'm able to create a video, something like this. If you find this video is useful and benefiting to you or your colleagues, remember to like and share it with them so that your friends and colleagues are able to thank you. You are saving their life and their time so that everyone can learn from more. And remember to subscribe or find me in LinkedIn, Excel Sifu, and get connected me in the LinkedIn. And my name is Star Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL.